Did you know there are still some plants you can put in your garden and can flower this time of year? I did not know until today. 18 Storm Team meteorologist Anthony Codespoti talks to Charlie Todd about these plants and about when to plant perennials for the spring in this edition of Watch Our Garden Grow.
Believe it or not, now is the right time to be planting your perennials for next season while the soil is still warm and your plants know not to flower.
If you're going out now into your garden or go pick up new perennials or whatever, now's the time to get them in the ground. And now's the time also when you've got hostas and things like that, the clumping plants, now's the time to divide those. So take your spade or shovel, go right down into one of those big batches of hostas and split it out. You're not going to really hurt anything. They might flop for a little bit, and when you transplant it, you just plant it as deep and they're going to flop for a little bit and probably look crazy for the rest of the fall, but it really doesn't matter. In the spring, they're going to be like a brand new plant.
And there are some flowers that like to bloom in the fall that you can put in your gardens this time of year.
We've got some fall plants. This one here in particular actually starts to flower in the fall, and here's the same. These are sedums, so in the springtime, you know, these through most of the summer look kind of, you know, plain and not anything big, but now this is where all the honeybees and any of the bees are trying to get to right now. So these are going to become the favorites because you can see they're actually going to flower probably in the next week to 2 weeks.
Don't be afraid to ask when to put your plants in the ground or when they will flower. It'll only help your garden flourish. In Southport, Anthony Codespoti, 18 News.